Here we are, 515 Johnson Ave in Ridley Park, and this one is definitely interesting. So really good bones. Take in that drone footage, and that's going to show off most of what I wanted to comment with the actual boots on the ground walkthrough. But you have a newer roof, a fenced in backyard with a patio section, pretty long driveway, and a flying in right here, a 1-car garage. So I do have that in the 3D tour, and we also have that in the actual video walkthrough. So we include that and the basement. Really trying to give you a sense of what we're dealing with here. But at the end of the day, take that in too. So many of these houses have additions off the back. This one is quite large. So that is the true potential I see here. Basically, turning that into an in-law suite, a 4th bedroom, a playroom, whatever you want, you have that additional space. So that is already there and a great benefit. So there you go. You'll see the stonework there, the newer 3D architectural shingles on the roof, the main roof that is. And here you go. You're gonna get a great shot of that backyard. So it's flat, fenced in, and quite honestly, ready for somebody to hop in there and enjoy the summer. So that's what we got going on there. We're gonna do a little bit of flying around here too, Ridley Park. If you're not familiar, they do have a historic section, which is pretty cool, downtown Ridley Park. And I flew up here too. That's Boeing in the background, you can see. So definitely always get that in the shots whenever I'm in Ridley Park. So there you go, cruise around, check that out. And just in general, if you're not really familiar with this area, you are pretty close to I-95. So easy access to get onto that, and just a great spot. So I'm gonna bring you back down. We're gonna show you the roof one more time, and I'll probably drop you off right in front of that house. And then we'll start our boots on the ground tour, which is, all the way around and inside and trying to cover everything. So there you go, enjoy. All right, 515 Johnson here in Ridley Park. Just gonna walk around and show you the front of the house, because this one is awesome. So I'll take you right here. I do have a little helper with us today. So again, 515 Johnson, great location in Ridley Park. We're gonna do the outside first. Gonna give you all the information humanly possible and go from there. So definitely a newer roof. We'll get you to disclosure. This is a garage. And again, not hiding anything. I'd actually prefer for everyone to know what's going on before they even come out to see a house. So good 1-car garage, lots of storage. Clearly not a normal garage door opener or garage door, but you got lights and a good amount of storage, no interior access, which again, down the road for some people might be a plus. You can see the neighborhood. There we are, not far from Chester Pike. Quick, easy commute to 95. There we go. I'll show you this angle of the house, and we'll show the backyard. So let's see how big the backyard is there, sir. Go for a little walk. There we go. So this, by the way, just so everyone knows, is an addition. You can see if I back up, this whole section here was added onto. So that is great. Somebody wants to utilize it as a 4th bedroom, an in-law suite. I mean, there's potential. Just always do your own due diligence. So here's the backyard. Nice little patio area here. Great for a fire pit. I'll spin you around. So fenced in, good size.
You can make your own mini garden.
You can make your own mini garden, says the helper. He's spot on. And again, I know I said fenced in, but look at this too. So this little section, God, I think there's a divider line there, but it looks like they kind of just share it. So I would assume somewhere near this fence line, probably right to that post, is goes with this property. So there we are. Let's head back to the front. Go in the front door. You can sneak in that side. I'll see you in there. All right. So again, you'll see a good glimpse of the neighborhood. And as you saw in the beginning and end of this video, we do always add drone footage. So if anyone wants a shorter version of this video, let me know. But there are some things that are going to have to be addressed in here. And then there's some things that are really nice. So again, full disclosure, nice walkway path. Front yard is very nice. And in we go. So hardwood floors. Look at that. And the cool thing about this house is it goes around in a circle. So real quick, we're just gonna do this. So this is the addition back here. So great room, massive. Again, run wild with your imagination. Again, in-law suite, 4th bedroom, game room, whatever you need or want, within reason. There you go. This is right to the backyard. So I'll tuck you over here. See how big this is? We do have that fireplace there, wood burning stove. Take this in, a little peephole into the kitchen, which I like. And this is just massive. So we'll bring you into the kitchen. Again, there are some repairs to be done.
It looks like the roof got broken or something.
The owner is not making any repairs. So it is being sold as is, just so we're clear about that. And here you go. So that is the quick loop of the first floor. We're gonna head on upstairs and show you the 3 bedrooms and the 1 bath. So a nice hallway here. Always thinking out loud how to add the laundry to the, to the 2nd floor. So I think it's possible. So I'll take you in this corner. Nice little cubby holes there for storage. And by the way, speaking of storage, you have a pretty good size, look at this, and some there. Pretty good size closet. So take that in. This is the primary bedroom, based on size. Over here, we're gonna have the middle bedroom. Again, hardwood floors, mostly good shape. Again, do your own due diligence, check it out. You can have space in there, I believe. Don't hold me to that, just like they did here. If you're really looking to maximize storage and you have a good closet here. So let me spin you around, I'll tuck you in the corner. Do have a ceiling fan here. Again, as is, but this has, for the most part, from what I can see, pretty decent bones. Here's the bathroom. This has been updated. So you got a dual flush toilet, I believe. Let me tuck you in here so you can see. There's the shower and tub. And there you are. So I will even spin around so you can get a good sense of the size of this. Each one of those tiles should be 1 by 1, a foot by a foot. So there you are. That's the bathroom. We have a linen closet here. And the 3rd bedroom. So bring you down to see the size. 1, 2, 3 windows, and I'll spin you around. Decent closet there. There you go. So that is it. The only thing from the interior we did not add is the basement. And we're gonna show it, just so you see. It appears at some time it was finished. And, it can be finished again if you so choose and do it right. But, yeah, the real cool thing here is this addition is not built on a slab. So this addition here, basically the whole size of it from here is a room underneath. Now over there, I do believe there's a crawl space if you want to put it together in your mind to see it, but better to just go down and see it. So here's the basement. Again, nothing glamorous, but it's a basement in Delco. So you got a gas hot water heater. It's a Bradford White, pretty much industry standard. You also have a gas fed here. You can see the gas line. So we'll get you as much information as we can on that. There's the panel, and you can see it was framed out. So away from the foundation. But you got a good amount of space down here. So we'll see what's going on with that. Sump pit over there. Again, as is, just letting people know. Lights work. They did have laundry down here. I will let everybody know too. Pour some water in it. I'll probably do it here. That's your drain or your trap. So that's what keeps sewer gases from coming out. But again, you could have laundry down here. I would try to figure out how to bring it upstairs. And here's what I was talking about. In that addition, you have a room down here. And even with this beam, I'm 5'10" on a good day. I have plenty of clearance. Maybe you could see that in shadow. So block construction here, you have a French drain. Looks like a sump pit, or maybe we'll check in on that. Maybe something to add a bathroom down here, if you really wanted to. So do your own due diligence. That's that crawl space. But this is a great, great space. Just is. So just imagine if you do have plans to finish this, it's bigger than I thought. So I'll bring you up. The helper's up there. There you go. And at the end of these too, we always add additional drone footage. So if you made it this far, watch that. We'll add some good shots of Ridley Park in here. There you go. Now we're gonna take to the skies.